Alright, we're all going to get to see what these batteries look like at the same time. I haven't opened any of these yet. There's 4 crates. Each crate has 10 cells in it. Each cell is 1.2 volts. So 40 of those making 48 volts. So I'm going to take this last screw out and we'll see what these cells look like. Hopefully. And this is the only crate that has screws. The other ones have bands. So I don't know if the bands on this crate broke or they decided to inspect them or what happened. But anyway, and here we go. What the hell? I got a t-shirt. Lovey Pie will wear this t-shirt. It says Iron Edison. So thank you to the folks at Iron Edison in Colorado. Thank you for the free t-shirt. You're welcome for the $12,000 batteries I bought from you. I don't know if that's some kind of a mat that we're supposed to keep with them or what. Look at that. So anyway, quality assurance, the whole bit. Now I do hope that these are filled with electrolyte from the factory. These are the vent caps. The end bars for the batteries. The best bars that go between each battery are here. And I don't know what this is. These are my also glasses, so I can also the batteries. It's supposed to be goggles. Some kind of a gel, a little funnel. It looks like a little wrench. It doesn't fit those. And this one doesn't fit. This will be for the caps. Yep. And they do have liquid in them. So apparently they're just sealed up for the trip. I wonder if this might be oil for the tops of them. I don't know, it doesn't say. Gloves, a hydrometer to measure the specific gravity, a thermometer to check the temperature, I guess in case they're running a fever. Every stinking thing here is made in China. This is like a tire wrench, so this must be for the battery lugs. Yep. Cool. I just love the Chinese writing on everything. I think it says made in USA in Chinese. And I wonder if each one of these boxes has one of these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah. So there is room for a pack of one of these in every box. Which I guess is kind of cool. Took a minute to get all that damn styrofoam out of the way where I could get them.
It's all right, baby.
Ouch.
I only have 2 more of these, so I'll need these on the
Oh, yeah.
next delivery, sir.
I will make sure I bring them. Alright, you ready for me to hand this table up to you? Yep. Pull up enough so it won't fall back out. Yeah.
I got about probably 2 feet.
Okay, as long as that don't slide back out, we're good. I want a little bit of slack left over. Takes big old hunkers like that to cut that wire. Now what we're going to do is take...
You want me to hang that? Oh, you can.
Yeah, you can hand me one of these whenever I'm
Okay. What are these
ready
called?
for it. Those are crimp lugs.
Okay.
They go to the battery cables. Nice fit.
And are those copper?
Yes. Well, they're probably copper plated since they're from China. Now I gotta find which one of these guys. I guess they're all next to each other. Okay. This is the crimping tool. It's a hydraulic crimper.
Do you want me to push the thing in?
Yeah, I gotta see when this. Okay. Yeah, now if you want to hold it together for me, keep it pushed on there. Gotta slide it in that away. Okay, I'm gonna need you to hold the cable and the lug because I have to pump it.
Where are you crimp the base
Right
of
there.
that?
Mm-hmm. I think.
Okay, I tightened it as much as I could.
Awesome. I got the batteries hooked up to the inverter through a circuit breaker here, and we're charging the batteries. They're 61 volts at the moment, and 1.3 kilowatts is going into the batteries. We got the potential for a whole lot more power, but I'm really liking this setup really well so far. Of course, just now I got it going, but I'm still happy. Alright, there's the batteries installed and they are charging right now. I don't know if you can hear that outgassing they're doing, that kind of hissing, almost sounds like bacon. And can't see down in there, but anyway, they're charging at 61 volts, which is as high as the MP solar will go. But that's the batteries. Very nice.
Is that all the bag there is, right?
No, there's another bag right here.
No, I don't want to have to open it.
this is my catchment overflow, working the way that it should, so that the tank doesn't overflow, but the water gets directed where I want it to go. All working perfect. And my camera's getting wet. Hey, I just had me an awesome shower. We've been having plenty of rain, and want to let you know we got running water in the house. Let me introduce you to our ultra modern groovy sink. Running water. Hey, ain't that cool?